Welcome friends, in this video we will learn how to make the slot or slot feature in SolidEdge software. Now before starting this, we draw the one rectangle or one solid body. Now draw here the rectangle, which one is the 500 by 400. Now select this and extrude in downward direction, which one is the 100 mm. Views, give the color dull. Now draw in this, select the line, select this face, lock this face, select the top and draw the one line, which one is the 200 mm. Okay, escape. Now draw the another line, which one is 250. Okay, now draw this one horizontal line. Okay, now the line draw, select from here, change the appearance. This one is better. Now select home and now you can enter a slot. Select this one. Now this one is the option available. Select here. You can see it. If you have save setting, then you can save according to your multiple requirement of the same geometry. You can save that. Now slot width, enter here 25 mm. Now here the end of the slotting, this one is a rectangle and now this one is a automatically radius will be generated. This one is a arc. Now select this one, next order up to 25 mm. Now you can see the end of the slot, the radius will be generated. Now same thing for the select slot. Now setting here and select the plate end 25 mm. Select this one and select the finite value, enter the values 30 mm. Now you can see the end of the slotting, no radius will be generated, no fillet will be generated. You can directly, by using the slot option, you can directly make the slot. We not require the any sketch or fillet. Now select the slot and here counter bore option selected. Now here offset 5 mm in outer side and 5 mm in depth. Now press OK. Now select this line. Now select here flat and arc. OK. Now radius. Now enter the value 25 mm. OK. Now see the steps are generated in the slotting. Now this one is a time saving for the modeling. Now thanks for watching these videos.